happens when cash-strapped individuals play deadly children's games for a chance to win a boatload of money? That's the concept behind Netflix smash hit Squid Game. In desperate need of cash, 456 contestants compete in dark twists on traditional children's games. The winners walk away with millions. The losers die. Thankfully, we don't have to play or lick sweet cookies to survive. But in a show about the consequences of bad financial decisions, we're bound to learn money lessons that we can easily apply in our daily lives. New thinking, new finance. Welcome to Legend Finance Academy, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out. Since it's landed on Netflix on September 17th, despite its brutal content, the show has captured the global imagination that it could soon be the most ever watched original production in the history of streaming platform. More specifically, it speaks to the deepening household debt crisis affecting the lower and middle classes. Take the show's protagonist, Song Gi-hang. Before becoming a gambling addict at the mercy of loan sharks, we learned that he had been laid off from Dragon Motors. When we meet him, he has 2 failed businesses under his belt and lives with his ailing elderly mother. Along the way, Cho Sang-woo, Gi-hang's childhood friend and a disgraced banker, running away from criminal charges.
다시 벌어. 60억을?
60억?
Kang Se-byuk, a Northern Korean pickpocket looking to provide for her younger brother. Ali Abdul, an undocumented and underpaid migrant worker. And Oh Il-nam, an old man whose health is slowly deteriorating.
돌아가서 남은 인생을 빚쟁이들에게 쫓기며 쓰레기처럼 사시겠습니까? 아니면 저희가 드리는 마지막 기회를 잡으시겠습니까?
Forget it. I'm out. So, what should you do to avoid a Squid Game? First, focus on paying off your debt. Episode 1 of Squid Game introduced Song Gi-hang as a deadbeat father who still relies on his old mom for financial support. He then steals his mother's card and withdraws money so he can bet on horses. And after somehow winning, instead of paying off his debt, he decided to run away and eventually have his money stolen. Gi-hang bagged 4,560,000 won from that horse race. What he should have done is take a portion of it and use it to pay off his debt.
아저씨, 그렇게 생각 없이 아무거나 집으니까 안 되죠.
One of Gi-hang's biggest failure is like many other poor people, he can't stop, think and plan ahead. He always acts on instinct and emotion. Start by gathering up all your bills and balances and examine them as a group. That includes all your credit cards, student loans, car loans, mortgages, and any other sources of debt. It helps to create a spreadsheet with a column for each debt outstanding balance, interest rate, and monthly minimum payment. The final list may look imposing, but the breakdown will help you decide which debt to tackle first. If you're in the same situation as Gi-hang, focus your efforts on paying off your debt before splurging your money on other things. You won't be able to focus on building your own wealth if you keep running away from your financial obligations. Second, spend your money wisely, no matter how little. After losing all his money and somehow gaining 10,000 won, he used the little money he had to try and win a gift box from a claw machine, believing it's a nice gift. Turns out the box contained a lighter that looked exactly like a gun. What a fantastic birthday gift for his young daughter. If he planned ahead and shopped around, he could have found a much better gift than a novelty lighter, and for a lot less money than he wasted on that crane game. Always remember that every penny helps, whether you have a lot of money or not. By spending money wisely, you'll find more opportunities to save money without even trying that hard. Live within your means and focus on growing your wealth instead, so you can live the lifestyle you want and have the funds to support it. Don't spend money on any fancy stuff just to look like you are rich. Third, never underestimate the importance of insurance. After suggesting that she stays in the hospital and let the insurance pay for the medical expenses, Gi-hun's mother revealed that he canceled the insurance and spent the money somewhere else.
고마하고 싶다. 고마하지.
So if Gi-hun kept paying for insurance, he could have helped his mother get the medical help she needs. Never consider going without health insurance for any length of time. You might think you're healthy today, but when an emergency strikes, a health or life insurance policy can help pay off expensive medical services. You probably ignored getting car insurance because you think you are a safe driver. Remember that you're just one bad day away from the worst case scenario. Consider protecting yourself financially with an insurance policy. Fourth, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Cho Sang-woo shared the lesson he learned straight from business school right before the dreaded honeycomb game. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And while Gi-hun and Il-nam ended up with a shape that's more challenging to carve, Sang-woon's money, personality, and cunning increased the team's chances of survival by a lot. You can also use this mantra when it comes to your financial decisions. Looking to open a saving account? Don't just open one. Open at least two so that you have more saving options. Looking to invest? Don't just settle with one investment platform. Grow your money in other investments and inflate your investment portfolio. Now go look for more baskets. Fifth, stay calm and analyze your choices. In this heart-stopping game, players were tasked to cross bridge from a dizzying height by jumping on platforms that are either made of fragile glass or sturdy tempered glass, while the others plummeted to the concrete floor below for choosing the wrong platform. Player 017's 30 years experience as a glassmaker makes it easy for him to tell the difference between a toughened glass and a regular one. Probably you won't end up in a Squid Game anytime soon. What you can take away from this is the importance of a rational and informed decision. So when you're faced with a decision like buying a stock or starting a business, it's important to do your research first before taking any financial responsibility. Generally, in a panic situation, one tends to take a wrong decision that worsens the situation, or ask for God's mercy, which usually doesn't work. A sophisticated trader maintains cool and keeps calm even in the most unfavorable situations to bring things back under control, focusing less on the money to be made and more on taking the right action at the right time is necessary for developing your analytic skills. Just don't leap to your financial death without checking the financial glass first. Sixth, boost your income. While North Korean defector Si Byak and undocumented immigrant Ali Abdul may have struggled to find new jobs depending on their skills and immigration status, you can find opportunities in unexpected places. You know, I'm not talking about accepting a challenge from a stranger in the subway. Some advanced job research websites use artificial intelligence to match your skills to jobs you never would have known existed. Some online platforms can even help you pick up extra work to do from home, whether your talents lie in writing, voice acting, graphic design, or supermodel. And even if you don't have much cash to spare, you can still take advantage of some low-profit and low-risk investment methods like ETFs, turning pennies into a diversified portfolio. But before you get into the game of money, please make sure you've checked our another video about how the market works. This is not a story unique to South Korea, of course. Squid Game's characters, their troubles resonate with their experiences of societies globally. People are coming to similar realizations in North America, Europe, China, and even New Zealand. Not to mention the ongoing global pandemic, which only exacerbated the problem. That may be another reason why Squid Game has resonated across different cultures. But personally, Squid Game pretty much showed us how your choices will ultimately determine your future, no matter how insignificant. So, if you don't want to be that desperate, consider changing your bad financial habits and start leading a healthy financial life as early as now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you think it was valuable, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends or anybody else who might benefit from it. Or if you have any different thoughts about the show, leave a comment below. I'll be sure to follow up with you. See you next time.